Hey guys, I'm pretty excited about this tool. I just got this electric hand planer. I've never used one before. I've only used the hand planer before, which I didn't like. So that's why I got one of these. My next step is probably the real planer, the box planer, but gotta start with the hand planer first. It's Ryobi, never used it. So my setup is I have a random plywood here with, let me put on safety glasses, with very, very messed up wood. So hopefully I can make this better. Oh, okay. Okay, so now I know. Once you go to the edge, be careful for the lift off or else you just dig in a random cache like that. Okay. Okay, I need to figure out skill issue. 132 of an inch. Okay. So now I should hear some noise. Ooh, this is pretty smooth. Okay. But my path was not straight at all. All right, now let me... This feels very nice. This feels very nice, but I don't know why the dust collecting is coming out this way. Is it? Oh, it's counterintuitive. If you set it on this, the arrow is pointing where it's at, not where this thing is. It's the tiny arrow where it's pointing. Okay. So now I have a bunch of dust. Nice. But on the takeoff, I don't know how to get that part better. Oh my god, this piece of wood feels so nice now. Oh my god. Okay, let me now come back. Oh, that was a really deep gash. This might be a little too deep. Let me go one. This wood, plain wood, feels so good. It looks very good on camera, but take a look. As soon as I come over here, the unevenness, it's not flat. And then right here I have a very deep gash. But if I tilt the camera this way, oh my god, it looks so good. It's so smooth. Okay, so now my goal is make this board completely flat. Oh, that might be a problem at first. It's not flat that way. Okay, let me flip it over and try over here. Okay. Okay, so this side significantly less things. Let me do a couple more runs of 164. Oh, that's why. The dust fills up so fast. Let me go get my dust bag. At first, I was blaming this machine for not collecting dust as well, but the bag was full. The bag fills up really fast. Holy crap. Okay, let me keep going. It is very smooth. Now look at this side. From over here, it's significantly more smooth. So this side was taller than this side, so this is still rough. But it feels so good. I've never felt wood this smooth besides, like a table. Dude, considering how rough it is, wow. Keep it going. Oh wait, see, as soon as I see dust coming out, oh, it's not full yet. So the dust collection is not very good in here. Okay, now I think I'll just use my vacuum to suck everything in. Okay, just now, I accidentally turned the knob a little while holding it, so be wary of that. And I'm not entirely sure what this switch does. I'll figure out later. Okay, so After using it with my vacuum hose, this is like magic. This is like magic. There's nothing that comes out. It's actually like magic. It's so smooth. Oh my god. So I have a little bit more ways to go through it if the camera can pick up what I'm seeing here. This spots, but the rest, this is like hardwood floor level of smooth. It might be smoother than that. But I really like this color underneath, so let me get through all the stained wood. So with the hand planer, I'm still getting like some of these deep grooves. I don't know how I can get rid of. I tried coming back this way, but then I somehow make more grooves that way. And this was day one, and it's ending because I'm out of battery. I had 40 to 50 minutes of this tool running with a full charge. I don't know if that's good or not. Please let me know in the comment because this is my first time using it. If other brand will last longer. But anyways, I like this finish so much more. This is the before and this is the after. This is very rough and this is so smooth. This is what expensive wood feels like at Home Depot. I never knew that. I never knew all they did was run terrible wood in a planer and then becomes an expensive wood. This finish is so high quality. But besides that, there's some ridges and gash here that I have to go on YouTube and look up how to use this tool better. And also at the end where the grooves right there. But besides that, I'm actually pretty satisfied with this. For the grooves at the end, I can just probably circular saw right here. And for the gashes, I can probably sand that, make it flat. But if you know how, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you enjoy this type of video where I'm learning tools, because everyone needs to learn, let me know too. Yep, I'm out.